Tom here from GT Performance. Not only do we do Mustangs and some of the Coyote V8 supercharged stuff, we do the almighty Ranger, which is one of the highest selling cars on the Australian market. Basically this is a 2015-16 model with 3.2 litre automatic. We've basically got a catback exhaust on it. We're going to give it a run up to see what it'll do, and then we're going to put a tune in it and basically alter the torque tables, the fuel tables, and probably get about a 15% gain. So it's pretty good going for some of these guys that have got these for tradies and towing around, and you can get quite a substantial increase. So what we'll do is we'll run it, and then we'll come through. You can follow me through. We'll update the tune, which we've already done that process, but we'll just come back to show you the standards inside, and then we'll put the tune in and then run, and then we can actually show you, because the graph's quite considerate to see that basically you'll see that it doesn't make just the 10-15% in one spot. It makes it all over the curve, from the torque curve all the way through the horsepower curve. It's about 15% right across. So what we'll do is we'll give it a run up in the dyno now, and we'll get a base figure. Okay, what we have is our base figure here, and this is some of our fuel ratios. And then what we'll do, excuse the phone, always pretty busy, we'll load the tune in now that we've already done, and basically what we've done is we fine-tuned it to the car. So I'm going to put the tune that we've done before in earlier today, and we're basically going to see what the difference is. So what we're doing here is we're loading into the Ranger, the new calibration that we've already done. The Rangers and a lot of the new model Fords, they definitely like to make a lot of noises when we are actually trying to tune. They play their bells and whistles. So what we'll do now is this will take about a minute to do, and then we'll come back and then we'll actually show you what the differences will be. So here we've got our power graphs, 111, hoping to get maybe anywhere between 10 to 18% more. So it'd be nice if we made about 130 rear wheel kilowatts. We're going to see the air fuel ratio or the lambda change on the diesel as well, and the torque management is going to be changed. This has got pretty big tyres, as you can see on it, so the power figures are a little bit, can be a little bit lower. We are running the car in 5th gear for the road speed to try and match that as well. So we'll come back to this. It's got about a minute to go, and then what we'll do is we'll give it a run up, and we'll actually show you what happens in the full process. That's where your OB2 port is. In the Ford Ranger, it's behind that kick panel for the guys who are interested in knowing. This has got a safari snorkel as well. We have tested with and without the snorkel, and it really doesn't make any difference on the dyno aspect, even with the fan. So it'll be great for four-wheel driving and off-road, but we were very interested as well to actually test it. So I did do the back-to-back testing on it, and we found no difference in power or torque either way. So for the guys looking for doing it for outright performance, probably not going to happen, but if it's going to be safe for water crossings and everything else, it's going to be perfect. So it's good to know that we've tested it as well. You're not just buying it and, oh, it does this, it does that. Yes, it works. Does it make big power? No, it doesn't at all. Does it take away from power? No, it doesn't. So it's good to know. Its specific main reason is that for water crossings or or hire different things in areas that would be full driving. So we haven't got far to go. Looks like the lights are coming on and flashing away. So now we're doing the automatic transmission controller as well. So you've got two operating systems in these cars. So yeah, basically you've got the engine controller, then you've got the transmission. So two are different, and we've got the ability to custom tune it. So each car is a little bit different, and what we'll do is basically look at what that particular car is running, and then we'll tailor suit it. These are a little bit fragile on turbos, so we can't go too crazy on the turbo. Even in a standard configuration, there's a lot of failures with the standard car and the standard turbo. So doing basically that, it brings it up to a safe level, and basically, yeah, it should be a lot better overall package. Okay, we've just got the auto transmission and the ECM done now, programmed. So what we'll do is still got this on the board. We'll give it a run, warm the car up, and see what type of power increase and torque increase we get. Okay, what you see here is a pretty healthy increase, and we've changed torque management, we've changed the fuel, injector timing, and what we'll see is our yellow run is our tuned GM GT, and our blue run is the standard Ranger with the cutback exhaust on it. So the gains, what I'm trying to tell you about as well, is it's not just like a camshaft car or anything else. With the diesels and the turbo, the power difference you got here, you got 20 kilowatts. So straight away you've got 20 rear wheel kilowatts. Give or take, it's probably nearly 40 horsepower more. You get up to here, and again it's still 20 kilowatts, and you get up to here, it's even more, up to 18 odd kilowatts difference. So there's a big difference from 131 to about 111. And you can see on this side here as you torque, and from the get-go, straight off, you have got instant torque gains. And that's what you want in these diesels that are towing around, you know, trailers or loads, and that's what you bought them for, going up hills. So it's not just a peak gain, it's an overall gain. So in fact, the torque range is probably more down low and here as well. So on average, 15%, nearly up to 18%. So if you want your Ranger done, you come to GT Performance. So we don't just do Mustangs, we do the diesel turbos, we do F250s, and even in the big truck range, we do the new Silverados as well. So if you want some diesel work done, come and give us a call, and we will take care of your needs. Thanks.